Welcome back. In this video, let us unbox and have a look at this new HP printer. The model number of this printer is LaserJet Tank MFP 1005w. So let's get started. It is a wireless black and white all-in-one laser printer. Some of the key features mentioned in the box are the low cost per page, mess-free 15-second reload, and reliable duty cycle of up to 20,000 pages. This printer supports dual-band Wi-Fi with self-reset, Wi-Fi direct, and high-speed USB for connectivity. The print speed mentioned here is up to 22 ppm A4 sheets. As it is a wireless printer, using HP Smart app, you can print and scan from your smartphone. The price mentioned in the box is 26,432. However, you can get it for around 22,000 on Amazon. The link to it is provided in the description. Now, let's open the box and look at the contents. We have some documents such as setup guide, reference guide, and warranty information. Next, USB cable to connect the PC and printer. And here is the power cable. Finally, we have the printer. So let me take it out of the box. Let me remove these covers and protective films. It is a multifunction printer, meaning you can print, scan, and copy. On the top, it has a scanner bed and marking for different paper sizes. This can scan up to 600 dpi. Next, there is a contextual control panel with smart guided backlit buttons. Here we have LED for Wi-Fi, navigation buttons along with copy, ID card copy, info, and power buttons. In the front side, it has an output tray which you can extend like this and hold up to 100 pages. In the bottom, we have the paper feeding tray which can hold up to 150 pages. You also get this cover for the tray. To access the refill area, you need to lift this front part like this. This is the refill area. Refilling is mess-free and refill cartridges are available for 2500 pages and 500 pages. The company claims that cartridge-free refilling reduces over 75% plastic. Out-of-the-box pre-filled toner can get up to 5000 pages. In the back, we have a connection port and a power socket. You can open this back cover like this in case of paper jam. Now let me power on the printer. It will take some time to initialize for the first time. Once the printer is on, you will see the toner level here in the front. Now let us place one document in the scanner bed and check the copy function. Adjust the number of copies by pressing these arrow keys. And if you want, you can change the brightness using the middle button and arrow keys. Now press the copy button. As you can see, it is fast and the output is crisp and clear. Regarding connectivity, you can connect through a USB cable or Wi-Fi. To use this printer with the smartphone, you need to install the HP Smart app and then configure it. HP Smart app has a lot of functionalities such as view toner level, camera scan, print photos and documents from the phone, etc. There is also printable section which provides a lot of templates. To configure this printer using the Mac or PC, open the browser and go to 123.hp.com. Install HP Smart. We get the same interface as we saw on the smartphone. Overall, the features on this HP all-in-one LaserJet Tank printer are impressive. So, if you are looking for a cost-effective wireless all-in-one printer for daily use, it is worth considering this printer. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about this printer, please share them in the comment section below. Please subscribe to the channel to get notified of new uploads.